Imagine being 80 and struggling to even make it across the living room. That was Mr. Walter's life, one of my senior viewers, constantly tired, weak and in pain. Every step felt heavy, and he was starting to lose hope. But then, just a few weeks later, something amazing happened. He called me, his voice full of excitement. "I'm moving, without holding on to furniture, and my legs are pain-free." Can you imagine that transformation? And it all came from one simple homemade mix made from everyday ingredients. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines, just real natural foods that help ease joint pain, rebuild muscle strength, boost your energy, and bring back your mobility. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't want to go over endless health issues and confusing, tiring explanations. Neither do I want you to just sit there and listen for an hour. That only makes your legs stiff, your back sore, and your muscles even more tired. I want you to take action, so get up, go to your kitchen, and make this simple mix that could truly make a difference in how you feel. This isn't talk. It's a real, practical solution that's already helped my 80-year-old viewer, Mr. Walter. It gave him back his energy, eased his pain, and helped him enjoy his days again. And that's what I want for you. To stand back on your feet, feel strong, do your daily tasks with ease, and enjoy every bit of your retirement with independence and joy. This homemade mixture isn't some trendy smoothie. It's a carefully balanced blend of protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals that help your body hold on to muscle and rebuild what time has taken away. It nourishes your joints, strengthens your skin, and boosts energy levels, helping you move, look, and feel younger. And there's another hidden benefit most people don't realize. This mix also strengthens your immunity. It helps your body fight infections and everyday illnesses that can hit harder after 60. Because as we age, even a simple infection can sometimes lead to something much more serious. So protecting your immune system isn't just about staying healthy. It's about staying independent, active, and vibrant. Just one serving a day can make a noticeable difference, especially if you combine it with a protein-rich breakfast and gentle daily movement. So, let's do this together. Here's what you'll need: 50 grams walnuts, 50 grams almonds, 50 grams raisins, 50 grams dried apricots, 50 grams prunes, dried plums, whole lemon 1 tablespoon, baking soda, 50 ml natural honey. Now, let's see why each ingredient makes this mix so powerful for your muscles, joints, and leg strength. Walnuts. Soak them in water for about 3 hours. Soaking makes them easier to digest and removes bitterness. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. They protect your cells, reduce inflammation in your joints, and slow down the aging process. Next is almonds, another powerhouse for seniors. They're packed with calcium, magnesium, and potassium, essential for keeping your bones strong and your heart healthy. The good fats in almonds also improve blood flow to your muscles. Raisins. Raisins are full of potassium and iron, which support muscle recovery and help maintain healthy blood pressure. They're also great for keeping your energy levels stable throughout the day. Dried apricots. A fantastic source of vitamin K, vital for bone strength and preventing muscle cramps, especially in the legs. Prunes, dried plums. Prunes help your heart, aid digestion, and have natural anti-inflammatory properties that support your joints. Lemon, wash it well with baking soda and water. We'll use it with the peel. Lemon peel is packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that reduce bad cholesterol and support blood vessels. When blending all the ingredients, add the whole lemon, skin and all, because that's where most of its powerful nutrients are stored. Finally, honey, nature's gentle energy booster. It strengthens your immune system, supports heart health, and keeps your body naturally energized. Blend everything together until smooth and store it in a glass jar. Take 1 teaspoon every morning after breakfast and keep it refrigerated. Make smaller batches. This amount will last about 2 months and keep its peak freshness. Avoid making large quantities, as nuts can lose their potency and are prone to oxidation over time. Use an airtight jar and always take it out with a clean spoon to keep it safe and fresh. This isn't just a recipe, it's real nourishment for your body. It's what your body has been missing. A simple mix that helps your muscles rebuild, keeps your joints flexible, and makes your legs stronger day by day. So if you're 60, 70, or even 80, don't give up on your strength. It's never too late to rebuild it naturally. But remember, while this mix is natural, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you have any medical conditions or take regular medication, it's always wise to talk to your doctor or healthcare provider before adding it to your routine. Try this for a few weeks and let me know your results in the comments. And tell me, which country are you watching from? I love seeing where my amazing community of healthy, strong seniors comes from. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Healthabulous and share it with someone who needs this gentle reminder.